Apay nga ta, ti lalaki nukas asawa na. Nakasamsam it panagayat ken pamateg na. Kanayon nagragsakrik na ken rupa na. Di na pay kayat mayadayo ken bakit na. No naglabas manunatawen pa nagdunada. Nilalaki kasla isuntay mauma. Aglalo no malukoy tunti barkada na. Agsapul kun sa bali, babae pagragsakan na. Agsipot-sipot ka, tuwag babae ka. Ni bakit mo palpali iwen na ka. Agsipot-sipot ka, manunurumwar ka. Ni bakit
lean on me when you're not strong. Tell me you're brave.
Did I take one for democracy? You bet I did. Right in the noggin. But with a cut hit, this hole hit at the exact spot where I had the metal plate installed after my whole rotisserie grill device. I mean, one man to me. Either way, they got me not here sitting this for how long? No sir. Am I a hero? Sure. And that's what the president and prime minister say whenever we talk on a semi-regular basis. Yes, there's so much that no big deal. I agree with you. Nice to meet you. Here's a photo.
Sinabi ko nga, sa labasan daw, sabi ng Mauri.
Maggusto pa nila ipahuli yung tao.
Nagulungin mo si Mario
Ito na nakakamo yung isa.
Silkat daw, kasama yung tatlong niya anak.